How's it going, everyone? I'm Tony, this is Filled to Flame, and today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing crispy Cajun turkey nuggets. That Cajun seasoning blend is just enough. It's not overpowering. The exterior is super crispy, the inside's nice and tender and moist. This is a great way to use that leftover bird inside your freezer. If you want to see me harvesting that bird, I'll have a link down in the description, and also the full recipe is down there below, but let's get cooking. First thing we're going to do is get started on our dipping sauce. I'm not going to measure anything, it's all by heart, by love and feel. Going in with about a cup of mayonnaise. Now the recipe, full recipe, is down in the description. Always Duke's here. A little bit of ketchup. Some Worcestershire sauce. I'm going with that W sauce. It's my favorite. Just a touch of that. A little hot sauce. A little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. Reason why we're doing this first is so that way, as that turkey's going, marinating, getting those flavors. This is sitting in the fridge as well, coming together. This stuff is best a day or two ahead to make. That way the flavors really come together. But letting it sit while we're working on turkey is not going to be a problem. We have our wild turkey breast here. You're going to want to remove the skin and the fat. That's where the wild gamey taste comes from. Once we're done, you won't even know this is wild turkey. You're just going to cut it into little strips, like so. Now you don't want to cut these too big. They're going to be too big just to be popped in your mouth and keep going. So, about like that. Well, these are nuggets, so going kind of small. Have some eggs. Whipping up our batter here. Scramble these up. And hit it with a little bit of hot sauce. A little bit of our Cajun seasoning. Get that mixed. Set that aside. Here we have some straight flour. We're going to season this as well. Onion powder, garlic powder, and more of our Cajun seasoning. Get this mixed up. We're going to start dredging these. Main thing is to try to keep our hands clean. So one hand for the flour, one hand for the egg. Go in, a little bit of flour, egg, back in the flour. Set these aside over on our rack over here. We're going to let these kind of sit for about 3 to 5 minutes or until we get this done. And that's going to let this flour batter start to tack up and make them really crispy. Turkey nuggets are all breaded, ready to go. I got a pot back here heating up. You can fry this in whatever you want. This one's loaded up with beef tallow. Let's fry these up. We have our pot heated up with our oil in it. We're actually going beef tallow. We're going to drop these in one at a time. Probably get 4 or 5, maybe even 6 in this pot at a time without making the temperature drop too much. We're going to let these cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. We're going to stir them occasionally. Oh, those are looking great. Nice and crispy. Let's pull these out and set them aside and fry the rest. Alright, let's plate these. We have our, let's call it our field sauce. We also have some of our turkey nuggets. So I'm going to pile this nice and high on our cutting board here. Everybody just dig in and get a taste. The exterior on these is super crispy, juicy on the inside. This sauce just ties it all together. It's really good. If you want to check out some of our other content, head on over and check it out. Links are all down in the description. You can head on over to our website, shop.TaggedOut.com. You can pick yourself up some merch, check out some of our other written recipes and our videos. Thanks for stopping in and watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.